Hi! Welcome to Kimmy's Learning TV. Hi! Hello! I'm Kimmy. Let's learn the sounds of the alphabet letters all together. Are you ready? That's great! Let's begin. A. Apple. Apple. B. Bowl. Bowl. C. Cat. Cat. D. Duck. Duck. E. Egg. Egg. F. Fish. Fish. G. Goat. Goat. H. Heart. Heart. I. Igloo. Igloo. J. Jam. Jam. K. Kite. Kite. L. Lamp. Lamp. M. Monkey. Monkey. N. Nose. Nose. O. Orange. Orange. P. Pan. Pan. Q. Quail. Quail. R. Rat. Rat. S. Sun. Sun. T. Tiger. Tiger. U. Umbrella. Umbrella. V. Van. Van. W. Watermelon. Watermelon. X. Xylophone. Xylophone. Y. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z. Zebra. Zebra. Wow! Good job! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next time. Bye-bye.